We're back, and I'm actually started already bending some of the purfling I made. And this here iron is hot. This is one of the Ibex irons that's been hot rodded with the Howard Klepper, I think his name was, who did the found some hotter and an element and different controller. You should do this. It should spit back at you when you spray water at it. And this one, so it's pretty hot. So it's pretty, very fragile purfling because it's all wood. Not like the black, white, black stuff that you would normally use, which is fibre. This stuff, you need to bend it on an iron. Trying to get to about a 4-inch-ish circle. Right now I'm making an oval. Ow. Don't touch the iron. I guess that was hot. Well, what we're going to do here is we've bent the two pieces of purfling that I made. These are going to go in these either side of the wood. Right now they look a little bit charred. That's because they are. The laser chars them a little bit. But once they're glued in and then sanded down flat, they will look fantastic. They'll be bright red and bright blue. So the inner circle distance from the center of the pin here to the inner circle is 2 3/16. I've already gone ahead and set that distance up nicely on the Stumac jig. So this is ready to roll. We just need power and a bit of luck. I use the air blower. It does keep things a little cleaner. I've set the depth as well to about 60 thou. And we can do that in one cut. Here we go. Like we need to. There we go. It looks like I need to actually go in a little bit more. There's just a teeny bit of the whitewood soundboard showing on this lower edge here. So, but it needs to be wider than it is right now anyway. So that'll be an easy fix. I'll just eyeball that. Take that out, put that on, and we use these to have a look. Oh yeah. There we go. And let's get a piece of the Purfling. Just try that in. Oh yeah, that's a nice snug fit. Beautiful. Alright, so that channel's cut. We'll blow all the dust off and that later. Next I have to set the distance for the outer edge, and again typically I'll measure that, get it into the first order. It's going to be 2 7/16 to the outer edge of the ring. So I want the inner edge, so the inner edge of this bit to cut at that distance. There we go. Oh yeah, much nicer. It's the same as that one now. Perfect. So these two pieces are going to get glued into here next, and usually I don't video that because it's got to be done quick, and it makes a big mess if you get it wrong. Actually, you know what? They just slot in there nicely already. Look at that. Not particularly well positioned, but that one's a little long. That's going to be very nice. 2 thumbs up.